let's take another look at this one over here. A Mazda. That'd be a Mazda Patcha. Yes, sir. I don't know if I should mess with it or not, but I'm just gonna try to get around the outside edge. And this is already, wow. It dried that quick. And it's stuck on there too, good. Ah. I shouldn't have done that. I should have just left it alone. Okay. Da 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 da. Let's get you in there closer just so you can see it. That's not dry yet, obviously, all the way, but it's blending right in, huh? You can't even really see that patch, can you? It's right there. And then the one around that little outside corner. And on this side, I think when that dries, it'll be okay. I had noticed on this column, see there's just a little bit around there. And I noticed right in there, see that little gap? So, hey, since I've got this here, I'm gonna go ahead. Let's get you down there. I'm gonna get you down there a little lower. There. How's that? Where's my little putty knife? Oh, here it is. I never thought I would be using just the putty knife to do these patches. I thought I might have to use like a paintbrush. And the roller. And that was pretty much it. But no. Oh, it doesn't even look like I've done anything to it. Oh, there's just a little wire right there. Okay, a wire to the outside corner. This outside corner has wire in it, and there's just a little piece that was stuck out there. Okay, that's all I'm doing there on that one. Nice, nice, nice. you over here now. So if you have some patches you need to have done on your stucco, I don't know if you know what the color is, and if your stucco's like this and not like a Spanish style. This is kind of smooth. I don't know what you'd call it exactly. Finish. But it's not a skip trowel, it's not Spanish style. It's, I don't know if they have an actual name, but it's pretty sandy, as you can see. Pretty gritty, but it's a smooth, it's a flat surface. So if yours is like this, and if you know what the paint color is, I guess you could get that Dry-Vit and have them mix it right up into the Dry-Vit and put it on. Because this stuff has some sticky stuff in here. Because I wasn't sure if this was just going to fall right off, but it's acting like a paint. But it's got some sort of adhesion stuff going on. Because I was hoping it wasn't just going to slip on and fall right off. And it's not. I think that's... there's a little bit more in there. Here. Just take your time. Just trying to blend it in is all. Could have taken my little, I've got a, my little screwdriver. I could have used that too. As a trowel. Okay. There. There it is. There she be. Man, with my newfound knowledge here, I could go around and patch all kinds of stuff. See, I know they used that before because it's built up around this, and it's like they put that on and they didn't, I could blend it in there better. See right here where it's short? That needs some in there. And they slathered it on. I could see where they put it on right in here. And see, they didn't do a very good job here, did they? They're not like Joe, Meticulous Joe. They just kind of flop it on there and call it good. See, there's another patch right there that I needed. So at least I know how this stuff works, and I'm gonna end up I'm going to end up using that one for my patches, I believe. And I'll do that same type of patch over here after I put some more roofing material, some coating on that, because I'm gonna actually take the stucco. When I patch it, I'm gonna patch it down onto my roof coating. Okay, it's all been peeled off of there. I've already put the brick. There's a slight gap there, so I know I can coat this and kind of taper it on down further. Okay, so I'm going to do that one later. But there's your patching. I'm liking it. I didn't think I could patch it that nicely. I'm really happy with how that came out. That patch right in there. Doesn't even really look like a patch. If you're standing over here, can't even really tell. I mean, I can see that it's still drying and stuff. Look at this over here. Somebody messed up here. So see, I know they put that stuff on here, and they use that Dryvit for patching alongside this walls in certain places over the exterior. Now maybe when they did this whole thing, maybe they used a Dryvit material and they sprayed it out of their rig and they used this same stuff. I don't know. I wasn't here 17 years ago when they built this place. Okay? All I know is they use this stuff right here to do some of their patching. Dryvit. Okay? Check it out if you've got some stucco patches to do. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.